Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? It's good to be back in the studio. Hey, welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. For those of you that are new, go ahead and do yourself a favor and come join the family by hitting the like, the subscribe, and the notification bell, and make sure you don't fall for any spam in the comment section, even if they say they are you. Today's video is brought to you by you supporting me by hitting that like button. All right, good people. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. At the end of this video, check out my links in the description below. If you're on a cell phone, just hit the headline or the description and you'll see the drop down, okay? Let's talk about briefly what happened in the market today, and then I'm going to briefly go over how I'm going to be trading from here forward, okay? So let's look at what happened today. Here's what happened today. Let's see here, right here. Stock rally today. The Dow gave up about 350 points actually in the pre-market gains and the earlier market gains. It looked like we were going to have a great day, and then it plummeted. What caused it to plummet? Right here. The late day pullback follows a Bloomberg report that said Apple plans to slow hiring and spending on growth next year to deal with the possible downturn. And so that is what has Wall Street freaking out, right? When you have a company the size of Apple that it gives you a future outlook, it's going to have a negative effect on the entire stock market. Then let's talk about what's going on in crypto, and then I'm going to tell you how I'm going to be trading going forward. Let's look at what's going on with crypto. As you can see, crypto has been doing well. You see a lot of things going up. Tron, AVAC, Matic. Look at Matic. Matic has been on fire. Up 16, almost 17%. Okay, let's just go to Matic. And so Bitcoin has been doing its thing too. All right, 1 month. As you can see, in 1 month, we're up 168% on Matic, Polygon, right? Polygon, Matic, M-A-T-I-C, for those of you that are new. For those of you that's been following, you know that I went in heavy into Polygon, and I used to be heavy into Solana, but then I played a video a couple of weeks ago about the new things that's happening with Matic, right? And about a week ago, and I made a video about a month ago saying that I was more bullish now in this segment with Matic. Josh and I did a live on it, and it is doing well, 126%. So let me just put in right here what I'm doing with crypto, and then I'll get back to stock. Okay. What I'm doing with crypto right now is I'm going to be trading crypto. And what I mean by trading crypto, I'm going to be purchasing crypto in my trading platform. What is my trading platform? It is Webull. Webull is where I do my swing trading. Now, you can get a lot of these coins in the Webull app. You just go to where you can buy and trade crypto at. The reason I'm doing that right now is just a lot of fear, and your money is protected in Webull. So what I mean by that is I'm going to be swing trading in Webull, meaning that when I make gains, when I buy here and I make gains in crypto, then I'm going to be buying here and selling here. We're going to talk about that a little bit more on Wednesday, okay? And then you guys know that I like to keep two different crypto platforms. One, I do my buy and hold or my dollar cost averaging in, and the other, swing trading in, because I performed extremely well with crypto in 2021 by doing them both. So what happens is I dollar cost average my long term, which we know we're in crypto winter. If you got crypto and you've been in crypto for over a year, you have lost money. But the crypto that you're swing trading, you know, whether you want to get 30% or 40% in it, 50 or whatever, you keep swing trading and cashing that out. So you're winning a lot of little battles rather than the long-term battle. So I like to do them both. So that's what I'm doing. If you don't have Webull, click my link below in the description and download it, and you could start to trade. Remember, that's where we're doing our crypto trading at with Webull. We're not holding it there because it's not a wallet, okay? You have to pick the wallet that's best for you, the platform that is best for you. Currently, right now, I'm not promoting any crypto platform, not even Coinbase. If you can look, there's no Coinbase link beneath any further. I want you to do what you feel is best for you. I will be opening an FTX, and I personally still have money in Coinbase, and I'm personally not worried about it, but you do your own research, okay? Let's get back to stock, all right? So now, on the stock market, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trading and investing in the stock market. When, Larry? On the 28th of this month. And here's why. And I'll talk about this more on Wednesday. The GDP numbers will come out on the 28th, right? But we know that the FOMC meeting is coming, I believe it's the 25th and the 26th of this month. So the FOMC meeting will come out. The Fed will say that they're going to be raising, I think, 75 basis points, right? Anything could happen. He could say 1 full percent. He could say 50 basis points. I believe he's going up another 75 basis points, just like he said in the prior FOMC meeting. That's what I believe, okay? But after that, on the 28th, is the gross domestic product numbers. So now, I did this latter video, the video before this, I talked about a new report that said it may come in at 1%, therefore avoiding us technically being in a recession right now. I don't know, to be honest with you, but I disagree with that, okay? But I have to bring you guys all of the news so you can make a decision for yourself. Leave me a comment whether you think the GDP numbers are going to come in low or high, all right? Leave me a comment what you think. The jury's out. I didn't agree with that report, but these are guys that, have way more tools than us guys on YouTube have. And so we just got to shoot it to you straight, okay? So what I'm going to do, if the GDP numbers come out low and we find out that we've yet been in a recession this entire year, Larry, this is not follow me. Remember, I am an individual. You have to do what works best for you. I will be purchasing, and not just dollar cost averaging, which I'm going to continue, but I will be purchasing, I will be making some larger purchase in stocks and crypto, because what I believe is that the market will overreact. And then what happens is in the recession bottom is not at the end of the recession, okay? We'll talk about that more on Wednesday. You let me know what you think, but here's the odd dichotomy of the GDP numbers. If it comes in high, meaning it didn't fall, and we are not in a recession, then we're going to see a bounce in the stock market. We'll see a nice little run. I will be buying again. So it's odd that we have this dichotomy where it makes sense for me to buy here, but if the opposite happens, it makes sense for me to buy also. But it's where we buy and when we buy. If it goes up, then all of our DCAing will pay off. And if it goes up enough, all of our DCAing, whether it's the Larry Jones $5 a day challenge or your DCAing in crypto or whatever, if we are not in a recession, all of your dollar cost averaging could go green in one day. And that's the advantage of DCAing, okay? So I had a lot to cover in this video. We're going to be with Stock Curry and Stock Josh tonight on Stock Curry's page. Join us for that. And make sure you check out the links below. Hey, Weeble, 5 free stock, up to 12,600 in free stock. Moo, this is Moo Monday. You get 10 free stock worth up to $25,000. You click the link below and let's get ready, let's get set, and let's go. We love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.